What is the role of the county attorney in criminal prosecutions? Unlike a public defender, a defense lawyer, whose role is to represent one client at a time, I have to look at what's in the best interest of public safety. When we look at a crime involving a person, we do have an obligation, statutorily or by law, to listen to the victim or the family, and we ask them what they want. But that can't be the end of the discussion, because there are people who don't have family members, and we can't have different sentences simply because one family wants something and one family doesn't have family to show up. We also have to be looking at what is in the best interest of public safety. And for that reason, much of our focus is on the defendant. We have to look at this particular person and decide what is in the best interest of public safety. Is it rehabilitation? Is it incapacitation? Is this person simply not safe enough to be in the community? Almost everyone that goes to prison will come out. And part of our job is to do the best we can to make sure that that person can re-enter the community. Long prison sentences aren't necessarily the way to do that.